Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. This is Where To Next. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It gets bright here early in the morning. That's another thing that I really love about Belize. So getting ready to start working on the gutters for the rest of the house. I only have gutters right now for rain catchment on the flat deck roof area is where I have, but like I said, every time it rains I get about 300 gallons. So after the fire that we just went through recently, I'm going to be adding another cistern, and I'm going to be adding gutters to the rest of the house, not only for to have more water during the dry season. That was a lesson that we learned this year. We didn't have quite enough water with 12 with the 1,500 gallons. So if we can put another 1,000 gallon cistern, we'll be able to make it through next year's dry season with the way that we conserve water. So I'm going to add the gutters to the house. Gutters here, in my opinion, are quite inexpensive with everything, minus labor, because I'm going to do it myself. The materials cost me right around 200 American is what they cost me to put gutters all the way around on a 20 by 30 house. So I'm going to turn the camera around now, so you can see the materials that I'm getting ready to use. All right, so you can hear I have my gutters. These are 20 foot in length, so there's 60 foot here. And I only need 60 foot because I already have some gutters up on the house. You can see I got gutters up in here already. So what I'm going to be doing is the rest of the house up here. These easements right here. Sorry, it gets fuzzy when I do that. That side, and then along the back side. So that's the gutters that I'm going to be starting on today. All right, so the materials that I'm using, like I said, are the 20 foot length of the gutter pipe. Got a caulk gun. Got the corners. Got the brackets for the gutter itself. They go like this. That's what the gutter's on. Screws for the fascia, end caps for the gutter, and of course a downspout for the water to go into the cistern. We'll be using a cordless drill and a cordless miter saw when it comes to cutting up the gutter pipe. So that's the materials that I'm going to be using. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get to work. I'm going to put the GoPro that I have, I'm going to put that on time lapse, so it's not hopefully a too long a video. So let's go ahead and get started and see how this goes. Alright everybody, so the last thing I have to finish on these gutters is the downspout from the gutters going to the cistern. I'm going to show you what I'm using here. You know, this is just an example. I'll show you the finished product. There'll be 3-inch pipe in these gaps. There'll be 2-inch pipe right here. So this piece right here is going to hook up to the gutter, and then this piece right here is going to slide into that. Then there's going to be a 2-inch pipe, so this will be an on-off valve. This will be the flush pipe and overflow. This will hook up to the other 3-inch pipe, and this right here goes into the cistern. So when the cistern gets full of water, or if it hasn't rained in a while and I want to flush it, all I'm going to do is simply cap this one. This will be open. This will run down to the ground and away from the foundation. So any water that's coming through here, when I don't want it to go into the cistern, will run out of here. And if I've done flushed the system, or if I need to add water, I just simply close this valve and take off the cap, and the water should run. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, all the way to the flat roof. See, all the way down the house. Gonna add some 2-inch pipe down here. That's gonna run under the house, away from the foundation. And then coming off the roof, that's the main one going into the cistern, but this right here is the flush. So when I don't want water going in the cistern, I cap that, and the water will run down here up underneath the house. As you can see, you got gutters all the way around. The corners, all the way down. So that should add a lot of water this year. I realize how much more water I could have been catching last year, but yeah, that's going to be a lot of water. So, not too bad. Wasn't that bad at all to put up this section of gutters. As you can see, it's got the cap on it, so on the first rain, if everything goes according to plan, everything will run right down there, underneath the house, and then it'll come out of the back side of the property that slopes down naturally anyway. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're looking to do gutters out there, it's really not that hard. You just got to have a little bit of patience. It's easier to have 2 people. I've done it once with 1 person. That was really difficult, but it's a lot easier to do it with 2 people. Me and my wife did this in a day. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share. If there's something you would have done different, or if you have any input, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody.